Let's share about the loss of the ministers and the parliamentaries in Ghana. Look, Ghana for, and especially NDC for, you people should be very, very careful because NPP people are criminals. Omo criminals to the sense omo spirit no empa. They don't like a good stuff in the nation Ghana. Hwɛ, saa accident way, saa plane crash way happen. It has happened before with Kwame Nkrumah in Krugungu, in Boko, from Boko to Burkina border, Yafro Krugungu. They did the same thing to Osagyefo Dr. Kwame Nkrumah back in the days. You see what happened right now in Obuasi with this helicopter crash, I can assure you and promise you that NPP4, they are involved. And I'm not scared of saying it. And I'm very, very much aware of what I'm saying. I don't care who say what, who say this. NPP4, almost spirit no empire. Almost criminals to the sense they can do anything. NPP government can do anything. What I say? Now me, I'm not even shocked that Canada, Japan, Crampo can be involved with this. And I have zero respect for these people. Zero respect for these people. So and I can promise you that even the defense office or Crampo or they are still working in the same office with the NDC is working in the same office with these people instead of clear all of them out of this office. Because I didn't mean to say that more NDC for mobile my yomoto ama omoto adaho. There's so many things that we don't know. Right now we know. A lot has changed in the country, but the president should be the one who was supposed to die. But we thank God say it didn't come on that way. It is not like but we are sorry about what happening. But I promise you, guys, NPP4, they are involved with this thing that has happening. Trust me, I'm not lying and I'm not scared of anybody and I don't even have evidence, but my sense of humor tells me that these people